Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
Tshwane police arrested 2 business owners for employing illegal foreigners while detaining 46 illegal immigrants and closing 6 liquor stores. The Tshwane Metro Police Department carried out by-law operations across the city on Thursday, 20 November 2025, resulting in the arrest of 46 undocumented immigrants and the closure of 6 liquor stores for non-compliance operations targeted multiple areas including Ga-Rankuwa, Centurion, Gasfontein and Mamelodi. During the operation, TMPD also arrested 2 business owners for employing undocumented immigrants, which violated the Labour Employment Act. Authorities inspected multiple businesses to ensure compliance with city bylaws and national labor laws. Several inspections led to the issuance of Section 56 notice, and officials confiscated counterfeit goods, tampered packaging, and expired food products. The TMPD emphasized that these actions aimed to uphold safety and legal compliance. The TMPD confirmed the operation was successful and plans to continue monitoring business, and immigration compliance officials said further operations would be conducted to prevent illegal employment and protect consumers from unsafe goods. No Dr. Nasiphi Moya oyimeya yaseTshwane uphawulile naye ngalolu daba. Ubhale kanjena ke ku-X yakhe noma ku-Twitter. Illegal immigration is a national crisis. Something's gotta give. Mazidlula phambili osukwini la izolo ngikwazisile ngokuthi kuphuma iletha ebibhalelwe uKolweni Malatsi yazisa namalunga we-ANC ukuthi upresident we-Youth League ususpendiwe ngoba kusasene investigation eqondene naye. Bazibala ke izathu zabo basho nokuthi lokwenza kwakhe kuphambene neconstitution ka-ANC. Ngithe uma ngikhuluma kulowo video ngathi into efike yangidida ukubona i-ANC motherboard ihlangene ne-ANC Youth League bene-meeting. Kodwa uColleen Malatsi esuspendiwe njalo eyingxenye ye-meeting. Ngathi ke iyangidida lento ukuthi yenzeka kanjani noma ngikuqaphelile ukuthi akagqokanga ngendlela ajwayele ugqoka ngayo. Mombuka la ku screen sakho manje ugqoke iskipa sakhe se-ANC. Kanti uvamise vele ukuthi mayehlangana nama comrade we-ANC agqoke umfaniswano wabo ANC. Kodwa lapho bengayigqokanga le impahla ze-ANC, bezigqokele nje iskipa sakhe. Abanye bonke begqoka ikipa nama-shirt we-ANC Youth League. Ufikile Mbalula esehlangene nabo sebeqedile ukuxoxa ke ne-ANC Youth League uye wakhipha istatement sifundeka kanje. Le statement isiphume ngomhla ka-21 kuNovember 2025. Isihloko sithi ANC applauds ANC Youth League leadership for maturity, unity and resolving internal challenges. The African National Congress, ANC, appreciates and welcomes the successful engagement held between the Secretary General Comrade Fikile Mbalula and National Executive Committee of the African National Congress Youth League. The meeting provided an opportunity for the ANC Youth League to outline the challenges it had recently confronted and the steps it undertook to address them. The meeting resolved that all suspension letters issued in relation to the matter be immediately withdrawn. It is agreed that Secretary General of the ANC Youth League will issue a public apology as part of restoring unity and organizational discipline. The ANC condemns the ANC Youth League for demonstrating organizational discipline, maturity, and unity of purpose by resolving these matters internally and responsibly. Their conduct reflects a renewed culture of accountability and collective leadership that strengthens both the ANC Youth League and the broader movement. The ANC expresses full confidence in the ANC Youth League leadership as they continue to play a decisive role in championing youth development, advancing the struggle of young people, and contributing to the renewal of reconstruction of the movement. We call on all members and leaders of the ANC Youth League to give maximum attention to ensuring the successful convening of the 27th National Congress from 14 to 17 December 2025 at the University of Limpopo. We are assured that the ANC Youth League will continue to mobilize the energy, creativity, and activism of young people in the service of social transformation. The organization reaffirms its commitment to supporting the ANC Youth League. Sikhishwe i-African National Congress, uMahlengi Bhengu national spokesperson. Le statement sesiqinisekisile lokho akade ngikusola kokuthi ifikile i-ANC i-Mother Board yahlala ne-Youth League kwaphoqeleka ukuthi abazikhulume baziresolve lezi nkinga bebenazo nesizathu abebesibekile sixazululwe ngaleso sikhathi ngoba befuna ukuthi i-ANC ibe into eyodwa ebambisene njengokusho kukaMbalula. Yingakho bebhala le statement bencoma ukuba matured nokwazi ukuxazulula inkinga zabo internal. Baze bathi lo okhipha statement Secretary General uzobhala i-public apology ngoba lokwenza kwakhe kuyalihlukanisa iqembu. Ayikho into ebalulekile njengale eyenziwe i-ANC yokuthi uma kuneyinkinga ngaphakathi azixoxe kunokuthi abantu banwephane kwi-social media, ilona khuluma bhekelena nalomunye khuluma bhekele. Lokho akuyisizi ngoba akuyixazulula inkinga kodwa kunalokho kubeka iqembu leli endaweni engekho yinhle. Kukhona ama-political party angakufunda kule senzo sika-ANC ukuthi kuthe makubonakala ukuthi kuyonakala kwi-Youth League yasuka i-ANC yawohlangana nabo bafike bahlala phansi balixoxa udaba. Yingakho ngithe earlier mangenza ivideo ngathi ngihambile ngawubheka kwipage kaColin Malachi ngathola akabhalanga lutho. Ngaya kufikile Mbalula ngafike ngabona ufake ithombe nje ethi bakuyi-meeting ne-ANC Youth League. Kodwa ukuthi kuthiweni akazange baze bayilikhe lo information. Baqala ukukhuluma ngayo emveni kokuba seberesolvile whatever bebebhekene nayo. Ama-political party bangafunda ke kule senzo sika-ANC ngoba angeke uhlanganisa abantu endaweni eyodwa bese imbono ingaphambani, ngeke kuze kwenzeke. Kodwa ukuphambana kwembono kuyadinga ukuthi abantu bahlale phansi babonisane. Uma kukhona nephutha libone lixazulule lo phutha lelo kudlulele phambili ngoba uma bengenzanga kanjalo bazoba inhlekisa. Yilokho nje bengithi angidlule kukho okuyisifundo afuneka amanye ama-political party asifunde kulento eyenzeke lapha ku-ANC. Angiyibambe le video. Bengithi nje angikuphi update ngoba izolo sigcine sikhulume ngalo lolu daba. Akufanelanga kube sengathi ke sigijima siphusha propaganda or fake news. Udaba lokususpendwa kwaColin Malachi belikhona. Kodwa ke njoba uzule kwilethe ukuthi emveni koba bakhulumile zonke lezo nqumo lezo has been withdrawn. Akasasuspendiwe manje usabuyela usenguye upresident we-Youth League ngoba lokho bukuyinkinga baxazululile.